And in this video, we will be discussing Microsoft Entra Join, how to configure Microsoft Entra Join, and joining one of our computer, and then verifying whether the device is joined to Microsoft Entra or not. So, before starting with the topic, please go to my YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button, like the videos, and comments on the videos, put your ideas so I can come up with another special videos. Okay, so let's start with Microsoft Entra Join configuration. So for the first time when you are going to join a device to Microsoft Entra, so the first thing is you need to configure Microsoft Entra Join in Microsoft Entra Admin Center for the first time. So for that one, I'm already here in Microsoft Entra Admin Center and I'm going to the devices part. I'm clicking on this and here we have device settings. So you need to make sure that Microsoft Entra Join is enabled for all the devices. So it depends on your choice as well. If you would like to just enable Microsoft Entra Join for specific devices or a group of devices, you can add your own groups. But normally the default option is user may join devices to Microsoft Entra and it's all. So I would like to make sure that this option is all. And then we do have some other options as well here, which is selected and none. None means you are not allowing any device to join to this Microsoft Entra tenant. But with the selected one, you can select like a group of you can select the groups here. So only these devices will be able to join to Microsoft Entra. But I'm just selecting all. It means any device that has Microsoft account of this tenant and can join to my Microsoft Entra tenant. Okay, so we have some other stuff here. User may register their devices in Microsoft Entra. It's all. I don't have it. Allow users to register their devices with Microsoft Entra Workplace Join. And the other, we have required multi-factor authentication to register or join devices with Microsoft Entra. No, because it depends on your requirements whether you put it like yes or no. But when I put the yes one, it means when someone is joining the device to Microsoft Entra, then the system will be asking multi-factor authentication. But it's like just putting no. And the other thing is maximum number of devices per user. It means one user can only register 20 devices. So, for example, if a user account registered more than 20 devices, then the system will be like giving them warning or blocking them for registering new devices. So this is the recommended 20 devices for each user account, and this is like a tenant-wide settings. You can just change this one, but this is something recommended from Microsoft side, which is 20. I can like change it with anyone, like, but I'm just putting 20 as a default here. And the other thing is local administrative settings. Global administrator rule is added as local administrator on the device during Microsoft Entra Join. Yes or no? I'm just putting yes. And registering user is added as local administrator on the device during Microsoft Entra Join. And I'm just putting all. And enable Microsoft Entra local administrative password solutions labs. Yes. And some other settings we have, which is restrict user from recovering the BitLocker key for their own devices. Well, I'm going to restrict all the users to recover their own BitLocker keys. It should be just done by local admin. Cool. So we have set all these settings for devices. The main thing that I would like to mention here is user may join device to Microsoft Entra. It means the Microsoft Entra Join setting is enabled for all the users, and we can go ahead and start joining a device to Microsoft Entra. I'm just selecting save here. I am now going to another computer and we will be doing it together, how to join the device from the user perspective. So this is a client computer, and we would like to join this computer to our Microsoft Entra tenant. So the steps are you need to go to the settings first, settings, and then accounts, and scroll down a bit. Here we have access, work, or schools, and then here we need to connect the account. So connect. I have the credentials of the user account, so I need to put the credentials as well at the same time. So here, normally we are not going to email address here, but here we have an option, join this device to Microsoft Entra ID. So I'm just selecting this. And here I need to put the user account. So for Microsoft Entra Join, you need to have the user email address and the password of the user account. And then next, password I need to put. And sign in. Okay, so I need to change the password and put the new password here. Let me put the current password. And the new password is and sign in. Okay, so we have this one. Make sure this is your organization. Connecting to this one, user type administrator. Yes, join. You're all set. This device is connected to TWN. So that's my tenant and great. So I have connected my account. I have joined this device to Microsoft Entra, and now we need to double check. We need to check in Microsoft Entra Admin Center whether this device is connected or joined to our Microsoft Entra or not. Here we have connected by Farnak and this one. So connected to TWN's Entra ID. So we have successfully joined this device to Microsoft Entra, and now we need to verify in Microsoft Entra Admin Center whether it's really joined the device or not. Okay, so we are back to Microsoft Entra Admin Center, and now we are verifying whether the device is really joined to our Microsoft Entra or not. For that one, I'm here in Microsoft Entra Admin Center, and then I'm going to Devices, All Devices, and I would like to search here. So it means the device is successfully joined to our Microsoft Entra because this is the device and the user owner is Franak Yusufi, and the device type is Microsoft Entra Joint. So this is how we can join our devices to Microsoft Entra. If I click the device, here you can find all the details about this device and who is the owner of this device. And now we are going to delete this one from Microsoft Entra. So for deletion, it's really simple and straightforward. You need to just click the device from here, and here we have the delete options. If I click this one, and here we have the delete option as well. So I can delete it from here. I just put delete, yes. And if I refresh, it's gone. So in this video, we have configured Microsoft Entra Join. We have joined a device to Microsoft Entra, and we verified the device, whether that's joined or not. And the fourth thing, we deleted the same device from our Microsoft Entra.